name is Nilesh Arora and today I am going to discuss about lean. What is lean? We come across many definitions, and one of the basic definitions is to identify, reduce and if possible eliminate the waste across each and every aspect of the enterprise on a continual basis. What does that mean essentially? And how does it impact the organization? The fundamental essence in identification of waste or Muda or non-value adding as we call it is to create idle capacity within the existing resources. By creating idle capacity, we are able to create flexibility, and by that we are able to meet the spikes in demand. So any sudden demand can be met and customer remains satisfied as per the agreed terms and conditions. It also means to improve the asset ratio. That means improving the inventory turns, and by improving the inventory turns we are able to reduce the cash block and helps create a healthy cash flow. When we talk of lean in the supply chain, we talk of high frequency buying in smaller volumes so that the throughputing is faster. So that means that the inventory is held in the value chain for a shorter period of time or an optimal period of time, and thereby improves the asset ratio. The entire work in the lean system is created as per market pull or your immediate customer in the value chain. That means we are able to satisfy the demand as per customer requirement. Fundamentally, we create an on-time, in-full, error-free delivery system which meets the takt time, the time the customer expects its services or goods to be delivered. When lean is applied in small areas, we call it Kaizen, that is smaller improvements we do. But when it is applied across the value chain, right from suppliers to customers in services, it is known as lean management. And when it is applied in manufacturing across the operational excellence chain, it is known as lean manufacturing. Lean is also a change in culture to create a sense of urgency to deliver and to meet the demand. It is a philosophy to keep on continually improving. Improve what you sustain and sustain what you improve. Friends, look at Mudas, identify the Mudas, reduce and if possible eliminate those Mudas. But Mudas are never going to be zero. They can transfer from one to another. But look at the larger essence. It should be done in strategic areas, lean identification, lean implementation. Lean projects should be done in strategic areas so that there is revenue growth, there is profitability, and there is a going concern for long. Build an organization which keeps on continually improving. That's lean. Thank you.